Indie Stuff TV.
Hello, this is Indie Stuff TV, and today we're doing something pretty weird. Fart bombs. You can see as this person is farting, this reads fart bombs. These are the instructions.
It's gonna stink so bad.
Comment on YouTube, and only YouTube. The first person to comment on YouTube will get one of those fart bombs. Now, the second person, the comment that we like the most will also get one.
There we go.
Funny, weird, wild, unexpected, something that you thought about it, anything that we like the most, we will give that to you.
Okay. Wow.
Whoa!
All right,
Sorry.
All right. Go ahead, read the directions
Careful,
there, Dad.
careful.
What are the
Okay,
directions?
ready? Let's read the directions. These are super complicated directions. So it says, suitable for outdoor play. Feel the mystical object, the magic water inside. By finger, squeeze the object, then throw it away within 5 seconds. It will make a big explosion. So we're going to squeeze the water packet inside. It's going to mix with the chemicals in there and start a chain reaction of massive stinkiness. And the bag is going to explode stinky, gross awesomeness everywhere. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Mommy.
Get over here.
Yes.
Mommy is behind
Get
the
over here.
camera.
I don't even know.
Daddy
what
is right over there, and I am right here.
All right, get over here. You got to activate this thing. I'm too afraid to stand too close to it.
So where do I
Don't do it, dog.
Okay, so-
Stay away.
There's a water packet in here. Do you feel it on the inside? Do you feel that packet? You have to squeeze that packet until it pops, and then you have to throw it on the ground.
Okay, so
Hey, make sure when you throw it on the ground, you throw it like right here so we can
And
stand
it
over here
says
and
throw
have
it within like 5 seconds. So don't start squeezing that
You
until
can't
you're
hold on to
ready.
it long.
Ready.
Do
Did
you-
it pop?
I don't know. Did it feel like it popped?
Nope.
Keep squishing it.
I think it popped. Is it expanding?
Good job.
Oh. Oh crap! Oh
Okay.
crap! Oh crap!
Oh,
Rich,
I
walk
think it got a
away.
little bit of water on me.
That's okay. It washes off.
Okay,
It says wash it off.
It's expanding. It's expanding.
Oh, that one
Stand
didn't work
up,
because
Mom.
it popped out of the bag right away.
Oh, I can hear it making sounds.
It is making sounds.
It's gonna explode, Mom! Mom, stand back!
That's all right. When it gets too full, I don't think it's expanding more because I think we messed this one up.
Yeah,
So
it
how
popped out of the package.
How?
somehow.
How did that happen?
I don't know.
Does it stink? Do your hands stink?
No. I mean, they smell like water, kind of.
All right, let's try the other one.
Ready to try the other one?
I think we should run.
I don't think it's expanding. I think that it's leaking out. So let's do the other one. All right.
Fart bomb fail. Oh, look, it's expanding.
Oh crap! We're doing 2 at a time now.
Okay, ready? Help me out with this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh crap!
It's good. That one's gonna explode. That one's gonna explode. Oh!
Should I come back?
Does it stink?
I don't smell anything. Go smell it.
Oh.
Boom!
Oh, God.
Is it really that bad?
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, no.
Oh, that's so gross.
Oh, it's so wrong.
Oh, Indie Stuff TV, come on!
Oh, gosh.
Okay!
Oh.
What does it smell like? Tell me what it smells like.
It smells like the worst like and subscribe ever. It's like horrible. Oh my gosh. If you people could smell this, it's like
Oh,
it's like rotten eggs. With the
Ugh.
I think
What
I
are you
want to.
Oh.
Don't.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Really gross.
Really gross. Indy, what do you
Indy.
think?
I thought this video was extremely gross. I think we just
What are you
gonna
doing? No,
make it-
Ridge, you.
Ridge,
Ew,
no, stay away,
ew,
stay
ew.
away.
All right.
That was a great video. If your farts do not smell, please like this video. Because if you like the video, when your farts smell, the like will smell like farts too. Okay.
Oh. Oh, a stinky like.
Indie Stuff TV.